Hello everyone, in front of me is Realme GT6 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First of all, open your phone dialer, then go to keypad and enter a secret code, which is *06#. This is the first one that I want to show you. So this one will provide you with device information, so right after you click you've got email and serial number right in front of you. Tap on OK. Another code that you can use is *#225 #**. And here you've got the calendar info, so as you can see, events from every calendar that is connected with this device will be displayed here, so you will not forget about any upcoming event. And another code that you can use is *#4636 *#*. So actually it's not working on this one, but you should try it, and this one will show you the Wi-Fi settings, device data, and also app statistics. And another code that you can use here has the same start, so it's *#426 *#*. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can check events and status. If you'll tap on more icon, you can explore a bit more by tapping on advanced view right here. So this is it. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.